I'm you and you're me. Okay, are you driving? All right, let me hop on. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Whoa, we're going so fast.
No, we're at Fred Meyer.
We're at Fred Meyer?
Yeah.
Great. Are we going shopping?
Yeah, and actually, you can get a toy this time.
I can get a toy?
Yeah.
I think you are the Papa that you wish I was. Can I get a super tall Optimus Prime that holds all the other rescue bots because it turns into Griffin Rock?
Trailer with it.
Oh, a trailer! That's great!
More bots.
Thank you, Papa. That's great.
And they're all flip racers.
Oh, flip racers.
Water and sandproof.
Oh, water and sandproof.
Yeah, and normal ones are water and sandproof.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. What are you looking at? Okay, Papa, here I come.
We're almost to Fred Meyer.
Oh, we're not quite there yet. Whoa, don't push the super duper fast button. Oh, no.
I know. Optimus. Beep, beep.
Oh, no. You want to honk the horn for real?
No.
Okay.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Holy moly, Berganoli.
Oh, I fell off.
Oh, you fell off. Ah! Help, it's all I can do to control it. Papa, come back. Come back.
Oh, I think I'm super.
Come back. Come back. Oh, I can't reach you a little bit.
I think Crusher did that.
Ooh, Crusher did that.
Yeah.
Wait, who's Crusher?
And Crusher is from Blaze. And actually, we're not Blaze, but I think then
Wait, is Crusher a good guy?
No, he's better. We were trying to get away from Crusher.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it work?
I don't think so. He's right behind us.
Oh, no. Ah, help me.
We're trying to get away from him. He won't stop running.
Oh, my gosh.
Unless we set a trap on him.
Oh, what are we going to do to set a trap?
I don't
Like a net?
know.
Oh,
No, like a box.
like a box. Are we going to put some food in the box so he'll come to it?
No.
Oh. What are we going to do with the box?
He has a box-proof saw that can saw through box and metal.
Well, then I don't think a box is going to trap him.
Oh,
What do you think will trap him?
not metal. How about springs? Our springs are not metal.
Oh, what if we, instead of springs, what if we used pizza? Pizza can trap him.
What?
Or if it doesn't work, we can always eat the pizza because it's so delicious.
Actually, our pizza is kind of spicy.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Is your pizza a little bit spicy, or a lot spicy, or
A
kind of
lot.
spicy, or very
lot.
spicy? A
Very
lot.
spicy.
That's pretty spicy.
So,
Yo,
let's
let's do it!
right here, right, let's out, sit on the seat. See?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
What? I fell off again.
Oh no! Ah!
Sucking me into the whirlpool.
Oh no! Help! Grab my hand! Grab my hand! We'll make it! Ah. You did it!
And actually, our motorbikes have doors.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So I think he got through the door.
Hmm.
He didn't get through the door. Terry has 2 cats?
Really? 2 whole cats?
No. That's Joanne's cat. And that's Eddie's cat.
Wow.
They have 2 cats.
They do. Are they cute?
Yeah, they're not supposed to be at Terry's house.
Oh, well, I think it's okay. They like to visit the whole neighborhood, huh? You're done coloring? Look at all those colors in there.
You can color.
Okay. I'll begin coloring and you can help me. Let's see. We're going to pick purple.
I'm going to have...
Okay. Oh, you have one purple and I have another purple. So let's see. I'm going to draw one of my favorite things.
The alphabet. You can draw the alphabet.
Oh, no, that's a picture of Hellek. Is that you? Oh, very cool. Good hair. Whoa, crazy hair. I think you have to have a different kind of hairbrush to brush that hair, don't you think? And you need some extra shampoo.
I can use a picture of Silly hair.
I don't need to. You just did. What a great picture of silly hair, bud. Is that what your hair looks like? I think so. I think so. You look just like that picture. I mean, it looks like you are just right there on the page, don't you think?
Where's the purple one?
What did we do with the lid? Oh, I see it. It's in the cup.
Yeah, but where's your purple?
My purple lid is on my purple marker, Berg Lubins.
Now what
Oh.
color should we pick?
Now I'm going to pick blue. I like blue. Do you know why I like blue?
Why?
I don't know. I have no idea why I like blue. But I do. You got it. Good work.
Now it's
Good cleanup,
should
bud.
I pick?
I don't know. What do you think? Red is a good one. Don't you think? Okay, now what are we going to draw?
I don't know.
How about...
The alphabet?
Oh my gosh, you have to sing it with me.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Hellek James will sing with me. Let's see, LMNOPQ RSTU V W X Y and Z.
It was Z.
Oh, that's right. It's I forgot. Z. Yay! That is the alphabet. What if we sang it badly? A B C D E F G.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a good one, huh?
Where's my pen?
Oh, I don't know. Did you find the lid? Good cleanup, bud. Can you put the blue on my lid too? Or the lid on my blue too? You are very good cleanup. I got it. One thumb